I thought I'd treat myself today to a visit to UkuleleMate. Meeting up with Joel, who's the owner. They've got loads of instruments. The thing about Sydney, there's not many ukulele stores.
She's my sunshine in the rain, my Tylenol when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me.
Hey Joel, how are you?
Hi, very good, thank you.
This is Joel, everyone.
Hi everyone.
And I'm going to show you his amazing wall of ukuleles.
Let me tell you what she means to me. Like a tall glass of lemonade when it's burning hot on summer days. She's exactly what I need.
Hi, I'm Joel from UkuleleMate. I just want to run you through some of the instruments that we offer here. So, for beginners, we offer the ultimate starter pack. It's a laminate mahogany instrument with Japanese fluorocarbon strings, geared tuners. It's really comfortable to play. It's got a nice setup. So if you're looking to just get into the instrument and give it a bit of a try, you're not sure if you want to continue and you don't want to break the budget, these are fantastic. They're $119 for a bundle in the Soprano size, up to $139 in the Tenor size. Comes with everything you need, so you get a bag, a tuner, extra strings, a strap, cleaning cloth, a book. You pretty much get everything you'll ever need. So if you're just starting out, that's a really good option. And then we have some really, really good instruments from that price up to the $500 range. In the Bondi brand, that's one of our favorites, and also in the aNueNue brand. So I can just show you a couple of those.
Got a little collection here of great ones.
Yeah, you got a little collection here. So yeah, aNueNue are an awesome brand. In our store, we have instruments that are about $400 all the way up to about $6,000. These guys are amazing. They know absolutely everything about the ukulele, the construction. The owner flies all around the world to source his own wood, and he dries the wood for up to 5 years so that it's perfect for when they actually build it. So they really are true professionals, and you have to spend thousands to get the value. So the value with the aNueNue instruments is in that $400 to $600 range. They're really nice with cedar woods. This one's a cedar with an acacia back and sides. They're beautiful instruments. So you really get all the technology and the expertise that they use on their high-end instruments, you get that on their mid-range instruments. So that's another one to consider, and they have a huge range. So that would be the two brands that I would first look at. And we also have a lot of other funky instruments. If you've already got an instrument, you're looking for something else, we have pineapples, we have carbon fiber instruments, we have magic flukes from the US, all sorts of different things. If you are a new player or looking for like a mid-range, good quality instrument, I would look at the Bondi brand, and I would also look at the aNueNue brand.
The Bondi's here, different ones. You can see there's some amazing designs here. Beautifully made. So Joel showed you the Bondi concert for the starter kit, so I'm going to play a little bit. So this is another of the Bondi ukulele ones, and it is Ripple Koa, and it's $549, and it is absolutely beautiful. Bondi Ripple Koa, absolutely beautiful. I love playing a ukulele with the price tag. This one is $449. This is an aNueNue. a Cedar top, Acacia Back and Sides. So this one comes in at $1999. I love the tone of this one. Really beautiful. So that is the Singer. It's called Iced Tea Sunburst. Really lovely. This one has a low G. So the sound is very mellow. So the low G gives it a lot of bass, a lot of depth. Here's another aNueNue. I can't say the word. aNueNue. Here's another aNueNue, and it's a Solid Koa. It's a tenor and it's absolutely beautiful. And the price tag on this one is $15.99. I need Joel for this one because it's the big guns.
Okay, so this is a fairly new instrument from aNueNue, and it's called the Black Whale. It's designed by a famous Japanese ukulele artist, and it is a double top, so it's got two pieces of wood on the top. It's Western red cedar, which gives it the tone. It has a maple veneer over the top, which has been stained. It's a beautiful instrument with all the nice rosette and the whale decorations on it. It is $3,799.
And it is absolutely gorgeous, of course. Play a little bit. So this one's an interesting one. This is another Bondi ukulele, and it is their pineapple tenor. Acacia wood, and it's very simple. $249 in the bundle. sound to it, and it's very cute. Now we have an Ohana. It's a Cynthia Lynn model. It's a solid mahogany. Beautiful little inlay there on the fretboard. So light, and you'll notice it's got the brown with strings on it. So let's play a bit of this one. Comes with its own high case.
So this is a concert-sized Banjolele, maple body. It's got a rosewood fretboard and it has an open back, so it's big and loud and twangy. They are on special at the moment for $2.99.
Fantastic. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for the train, feeling near as faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained. I rode us all the way to New Orleans. Great sound, really good price. Check out the Bondi ukuleles. So now we have a very interesting instrument called a magic fluke. Look at that. Very interesting. It has a Remo skin and another open back as well. It's so pretty. Definitely not as loud or as fun as the Bondi ukulele. Bicycle past your window last night. I roller skated to your door at daylight. It almost seems like you're avoiding me. I'm okay alone, but you got something I need. Well, I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Thank you so much, Gabrielle, for coming in.
Pleasure.
If anyone has any questions about the instruments, they can find us at ukulelemate.com.au, or they can visit us in Lane Cove West and come in and try out all the instruments.
It's a fantastic place to shop. Merry Christmas, and if you're going to buy a ukulele for Christmas, this is the place to come if you live in Sydney, or online if you don't. Bye-bye.
Bye.